Hello everyone, my name is Sierra Aulick. I am a captain on Ladder 201 Sea Shift, and I'm here today to introduce the concept of gratitude boards. This is going to be a new concept for our department that is going to be implemented in the next couple of weeks. In order to understand this, we need to understand where this comes from. So as many know, we have a program that's called Struggle Well, in which we've had over 100 members attend, which through our peer support program. In this program, it focuses on post-traumatic growth, as well as teaching you to navigate struggle and strengthen and grow throughout that. In this program, one thing that's talked about is the concept of gratitude. Through studies, it shows that over 80% of our thoughts are negative throughout the day. And the goal of practicing gratitude is to change this culture and to change that narrative. Through practicing gratitude, we are able to change our mindset and focus more on the positive thoughts throughout the day. With the gratitude boards, they're going to be implemented at the stations. They're just nice little whiteboards that we're able to write thoughts on, things that we are grateful for, things that bring joy to our lives. So with these boards, the concept is to come in and to write one or two things that you are grateful for that day. By starting that day with that healthy, positive mindset, it helps us get off to the right start. So a couple examples of things that you could write. My awesome crew on Ladder 201. Or another example, my family. So just some small examples, but overall things that really bring positivity into my life. As this board fills up, we ask that on Saturdays, that would be a good time when we're cleaning, getting the stady tidied up, that we can just simply go through, we'll erase everything on the board, and then we can start fresh going into that next week to allow others to provide more positive things that they're grateful for. One thing that we ask with these boards is that we keep any negative or inappropriate things off of them. We are asking that company officers as well as Struggle Well graduates help to manage this. If you see something that's written on here that is inappropriate or does not fit the concept of gratitude, we just ask that you simply wipe it away and erase it. Overall, we ask that everyone participates in this with a positive mindset and embraces it as our department is implementing this. If you have any questions about these boards, you are always welcome to reach out to peer support, Brian Sockrider, or we are going to be adding attributes to telestaff that are going to identify those that have been through Struggle Well and are graduates from that program who should be well versed in how these operate. Overall, we just ask that you embrace this change, that you accept it, that you participate in it, and that you help to bring some positive culture to Mesa Fire. Thank you.